Yekaterinburg is a thriving city where East meets West and was founded in 1723 by Peter the Great. The city has grown to become an industrial powerhouse as one of Russia's most important cultural and economic cities. It is named after Yekaterina, the wife of Russian Emperor Peter the Great. For centuries, Yekaterinburg became a key city to endless and rich Siberia, a window overlooking Asia, like St. Petersburg was Russia's window overlooking Europe. Today, Yekaterinburg is a vibrant city full of towering skyscrapers, breathtaking churches, and pristine remnants of the Soviet Union. Today we're exploring 10 interesting facts about Yekaterinburg, a city that straddles the line between Europe and Asia. Fact 1. Historical significance. Yekaterinburg was established in 1723 by the Peter the Great himself. Named after Catherine I, the city played a crucial role in Russia's industrialization, becoming a hub of innovation and economic growth. Fact 2. Transcontinental location. Yekaterinburg's geographical location places it on the border between these two continents. Don't forget to snap a selfie at the obelisk bordered the iconic Europe-Asia monument to mark this unique experience. Fact 3. Ural Mountains. Nestled against the location of the Ural Mountains, Yekaterinburg enjoys a breathtaking setting. These mountains, often considered the natural divide between Europe and Asia, add a touch of natural beauty to the city's charm. Fact 4. Romanov execution. Yekaterinburg holds a somber place in history as the site of the Romanov family's tragic execution in 1918. The P.E.C.H.S house, where they were held captive, has been preserved as a reminder of this significant event. Fact 5. The Church on the Blood. In memory of the Romanovs, the Church on the Blood was built at the very place they met their fate. This stunning church is a symbol of remembrance and a testament to the resilience of the city. Fact 6. Literary legacy. Yekaterinburg has inspired countless Russian writers and poets like Pavel Bajov. Fyodor Dostoevsky's masterpiece, The Brothers Karamazov, even features scenes set within the city, showcasing its lasting influence on literature. Fact 7. Economic powerhouse. Yekaterinburg thrives as an economic powerhouse. The city's metallurgical and machinery industries have contributed significantly to Russia's economic growth. Fact 8. Vysotsky Tower. Rising proudly in the skyline is the Vysotsky Business Center, a towering testament to modern architecture. Named after the iconic singer-songwriter Vladimir Vysotsky, this skyscraper adds a touch of modernity to the city. Fact 9. Cultural diversity. Yekaterinburg's charm lies in its cultural diversity. With a melting pot of ethnic groups, the city celebrates its various traditions through festivals, museums, and vibrant cultural events. Fact 10. Innovations and modernity. The city beautifully blends history with innovation. Marvel at the juxtaposition of historical architecture and modern skyscrapers, as Yekaterinburg continues to push the boundaries of technology and progress. These are 10 captivating facts about Yekaterinburg. From its historical roots to its modern achievements, this city truly offers something for everyone. Whether you're an adventurer, a history enthusiast, or simply looking for a unique experience, Yekaterinburg won't disappoint. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring.